Hi everyone, let's solve this question. In a flight of 600 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 200 km per hour and the time of flight increased by 30 minutes. Find the duration of flight. In a flight of 600 km, so the fixed destination, the distance of the flight 600 km, the distance of the destination 600 kilometer. Then the aircraft slowed down due to bad weather. The average speed of the flight is being reduced by 200 kilometer per hour due to bad weather. When the speed of the flight is reduced, the time to reach the destination increased by 30 minutes, right? If the speed of the flight is reduced, time will be taken more to reach the destination. If the speed of the flight increased, time will be reduced to reach the destination. So now we are going to take the usual speed, the average speed of the flight. Average speed of the flight. Average speed of the flight x kilometer per hour. And the fixed destination, that is the distance to reach the destination, 600 kilometer. 600 kilometer is the distance and the average speed of the flight x kilometer per hour. So we can calculate the time taken by the flight. Time taken by the flight in the usual speed, in the average speed. Time taken by the flight in the average speed. We have distance and average speed to calculate the time. Distance by speed, so 600 by x hours. So time taken by the flight in the average speed, 600 by x hours. So due to bad weather, the speed of the flight is reduced by 200 km per hour. So what is the new speed? Due to bad weather, the speed of the flight is being reduced. How much it is reduced? It is reduced by 200. That is minus 200 than the average speed. So x minus 200 kilometer per hour is the new speed of the flight. So when the speed of the flight reduced by 200 km per hour, how much time will take? Time taken by the flight with the new speed. Same, distance by speed. So 600 by the new speed x minus 200 hours. So time taken by the flight when the speed of the flight reduced by 200 is 600 by x minus 200 hours. According to the question, when the speed is reduced, the time is increased by 30 minutes, right? According to the question, we are going to frame the equation. The time taken by the flight when the speed is reduced by 200 km per hour, time was taken half an hour, that is 30 minutes more. So plus 30 minutes more, that minute we are converting into hours because we are writing everything into hours. It has taken 30 minutes increased, 30 minutes more than the time taken by the flight in the average speed. Now we framed the equation, we need to solve the equation. So 600 by x minus 200, we are bringing this x term. It is becoming minus 600 by x from right hand side to left hand side. Then when you simplify this, 1 by 2. We are solving this by cross multiplication method. X into x minus 200. Then when you do cross multiplication, 600x minus 600x minus into minus plus 1,20,600 into 200 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 600x minus 600x getting cancelled. So 1,20,000 by x square minus 200x is equal to 1 by 2. Again let's solve this by cross multiplication. So 2,40,000 is equal to x square minus 200x. So let's bring this to right hand side. 0 is equal to x square minus 200x. When it comes here, minus 2,40,000. We need to solve this equation, quadratic equation, by quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b. So minus into minus plus 200 minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 into a value 1, c value minus 2,40,000. by 2 into a, 2 into 1, 2. Then further we are solving 200 plus or minus 200 square 40,000 minus into minus plus 4 into 2,40,000 9,60,000 by 2. So 200 plus or minus, when you add you will be getting 10 lakh, right, by 2. So further 200 plus or minus square root of this, since it has 6 zeros, so we are taking the root 3 zeros out, so 1000 by 2. We are taking only positive value, so 200 plus 1000, 1200 by 2. 1200 by 2, which is 600. So x is equal to 600 kilometer per hour. X is equal to 600 kilometer per hour. What is x? The average speed of the flight, right? Average speed of the flight 600 kilometer per hour. But the question is, find the duration of the flight. So how long the flight has taken to reach the destination. So time taken by the flight in average speed 600 by x time taken by the flight in the average speed 600 by x. So 600 by 600, 1 hour. Suppose when the speed reduced, right, when the speed of the flight reduced, time taken by the flight 600 by x minus 200 hours. 600 by x minus 200. So 600 by 600 minus 200, 600 by 400, 1.5 hours. How long did it take? 1.5 hours.